What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be removing the window switch from this Chevy Trax. Let's get to it. So here's a small clip of what it actually looks like on the back side. So you have this small tension clip here that this is what you're trying to get loose. This is where you're starting on the bottom of the window switch, and then you have to pry it upwards, and then it gets removed from the locator on the top. So this is the one that's going to be a pain to get loose, but trust the process. You're going to want to get this loose, and then you can remove the window switch with the door panel still on the vehicle. So let's go ahead and attempt that right now. So based upon where that clip was that I showed you, it's right there. So that's why we're going to start our tool. You can go ahead and find this tool on our Amazon links below. But we're just going to slide that tool right in here on the bottom. And it's going to be quite tough. So you want to kind of hold that in at the same time as prying downwards. And it's going to release, but like I said, it's going to be tough. And you just want to pull up. The locator pin's up here. Slide that out. And then you can access the electrical connectors on the back side. You have one electrical connector on the top that is got a red safety thing on it. Undo the safety clip. Pull that out. And then this one on the bottom doesn't have anything. You just pull that one out right there. And now you have the window switch and door lock out of the vehicle. Now to reinstall it, I just want to put the white plug back in first. And the black one on top. Don't forget your safety clip. And then start on the top. And then I like to push up at the same time. And push in. You're gonna hear a click. Make sure it's all in there completely because you don't want any rattles. But otherwise than that, the window switch is now back in. And there we go. That's how you remove and install the window switch or door lock switch on this Chevy Trax. It's gonna be very similar to a Buick Encore. So if you have a Buick Encore, this will work for you. But if this video helped you, make sure to click like, subscribe to my channel, and also check my other videos. Got a whole bunch out there. But until next time, thanks for watching.